Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time. Today I'm going to show you the way I made my jollof rice during Easter. So I parboiled the goat meat. This is goat meat. I parboiled it. I added bouillon cubes. I added onion. I added basil leaf, oregano, thyme, and I added um curry. I added also pepper. So I added turmeric as well. And then I stirred it, allowed it to sit for 30 minutes before start cooking. So this I'm going to grill it. Is now I am going to use veggies and paprika. The veggies that I'm using is basil leaf. I'm using beetroot, and also celery. The reason why I'm using this is because my kids don't eat veggies. They don't like eating veggies. I add them to their food by grinding it. So this is a very good option if your kids don't eat veggies. So what I'm going to do now is blending it, and then I'll place the oil on the pan and pour in the sauce that I've blended, and then stir, allow it to simmer to cook, at least to remove a little bit thanks this fresh smell or fresh taste, whatever. Then when it boils, I add all the ingredients that are added in the meat. So this is for the rice. So I've already washed my rice, and I added crayfish as well. Do you like adding crayfish to your jollof rice? I do like adding crayfish. So now I'm going to turn them all together. Then I'm going to add a little bit, just a little water, tiny water, not too much. So I covered it with foil so that it could steam within inside. The trap air would make it juicy and very tasty. I This rice was so tasty, and look at how it looks like because I used also plantain with it. And there you go. Thank you for watching.